You're making progress. Let's clear up one of the most common mix-ups. Leading versus lagging indicators. Leading indicators are proactive. They track activities designed to prevent incidents before they happen. Think of safety observations, hazard reports, and training participation. These help identify risk early. Lagging indicators are reactive. They measure outcomes after an incident has already occurred. Examples include OSHA recordable rates, workers' compensation costs, and lost time injury frequency. Useful, but they reflect the past, not prevention. In this case, the number of job safety observations completed is a leading indicator. It shows proactive effort. TRIR payouts and lost time rates are lagging because they measure results after incidents. Here's your quick recall tip. If it predicts or prevents leading, if it records what's already happened, lagging. Lock this in, and questions like this become an easy win.